Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we're going to take a look at why does your clothes take too long to dry? Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. If your clothes seem to always come out damp after running a cycle in your dryer, the most common cause is an obstruction in your exhaust, such as lint, leaves, or other debris. This will prevent the dryer from heating properly and cycle the unit off on a safety device called a cycle thermostat. The cycle thermostat is a safety device to prevent major mechanical damage or potential lint fires due to overheating. If you feel your clothes are not drying fast enough, turn on your dryer and go outside to see if you can feel air discharge from your vent. Sometimes the vent louvers can get stuck and will not open, causing the cycle thermostat to cycle off the dryer's heater. If this happens, it's advisable to replace the vent louver completely. Before starting a load, always check the lint filter to make sure there's no excess lint buildup. This could cause long dry times if the lint filter is completely plugged. If your dryer is functioning properly and your clothes are still not drying fast enough, there's a few different things that could be causing your issue, such as the size of the load, fabric type, and thickness. On average, a full load of heavy sweatshirts or towels will take around 40 to 50 minutes to properly dry. However, if you load your dryer with the same weight of garments, except made from a lighter fabric, the dry times could be reduced down to 25 to 35 minutes. Because the type of fabric makes such a big impact on dry times, it is best to avoid drying heavy and lightweight clothing at the same time. This will cause over-drying of your lighter clothes or damp spots on your heavier items. And after all of this, sometimes it's not even your dryer at fault. Rather, it could be that your washer is simply not properly spinning the clothes at the end of the cycle. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.